What's up everyone, I'm your host Vikas and what's up Vikas on Cars. So yet again we are back at the KTM Sector 18 Noida dealership, and the bike which I'm going to review today is a tiny little Duke, and it is one of the best bikes to commute in the city with a very good fuel average. So most of you might have guessed it, that the bike which I'm talking about is none other than the 2020, or I should say the BS6 variant of KTM Duke 125. So yes guys, here it is, the BS6 variant of KTM Duke 125. So today I'll be telling you all about its looks, features, specifications, price, plus I'll be also telling you about the down payment or monthly installments which you have to pay if you are considering for this tiny little beast. So let's start with the looks of the bike now. So yes, in terms of look, this bike still carries on the looks of the previous generation Dukes. So at the front you get to see this halogen headlamp with this front LED indicators, and now coming towards the downside you get to see upside down WP suspension with a 300mm disc on the either side. And yes, as I told you in all my KTM videos, that in the BS6 variants you get to see this reflector present on the suspension. And yes, this one comes with this orange rims, and the front one is a 110 section tire. Alright, so that's all about the front of the bike. Now coming towards the sides, you can see that you get to see a new color scheme on the bike which carries on this orange, black and white. So you get to see some new stickers, so the whole livery has been changed. And now talking about the engine of this bike, this one comes with a 124.7cc single cylinder fuel injected 4-valve DOHC engine which produces around close to 14.5 PS at 9230 rpm and 12 Nm of torque. So yes, the numbers are good if you are preferring this bike or considering this bike for terms of commuting in the city, then this bike is totally perfect for you. And now coming towards the transmission, this one comes with a 6-speed transmission. As I told you that in all the KTM bikes, if you even consider the 1290 Duke, you will get to see a 6-speed transmission. Alright, now coming towards the rear tire, this one is a 150 section with a 230mm disc, and this one comes with single channel Bosch ABS. And yes, you got to see the Vibri brakes on this bike. So yes, that's all about the rear tire of the bike. And now talking about the rear profile, you get to see this rear LED tail light. Let me turn it on for you. Alright, yeah, so it is basic, nothing much to see in it. And yes, here a pillion can sit really very comfortably. So this bike is all about comfort and commuting with ease in the city. So now it's time to show you the instrument cluster of this bike. So yes, this one comes with the basic instrument cluster as you get to see in other Duke and RC series. So yes, it shows you various information regarding the fuel, temperature, engine, neutral indication and side step down indication, ABS indication. So yes, there's lots of information, plus you get to see the mode and set buttons similar to the other instrument cluster. So that's all about the basic instrument cluster of this KTM Duke 125. And now it's time to make you hear the exhaust note. So yes, this one comes with an underbelly exhaust, and here I press the kill switch on, and let's bring it to life. Kiran, don't you agree with me that keeping in mind that this one is a 125cc bike, that exhaust note was really very good? Man, yes, it was a really very good exhaust note. Keep in mind that this one is a 125cc bike, so yes, you are getting good average fuel consumption, you are getting very good riding position, your pillion can sit comfortably on the bike, and this bike has everything you are required to have in a city. So yes, you can get performance, you can get comfortability. So that's all about the looks, features, specs and exhaust note of the bike. And now it's time to tell you about its price and down payment. So guys, now if we talk about the pricing of this tiny little beast, the KTM Duke 125 BS6 variant, so its ex-showroom price will cost you somewhere around 1,42,842 rupees. वहीं पे इसका on road price will cost you somewhere around close to 1,65,707 rupees. So that's a very good price for such a great bike. Alright, and if you are thinking of purchasing this bike on EMI basis, then you can make this tiny little beast yours at just a price tag of rupees 12,999. So that's the down payment for this bike. And उसके साथ आपको इसके ऊपर 5 years की वारंटी मिलेगी, जो कि पहले 2 years की हुआ करती थी, एंड उसके साथ में 1 year का रोड असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द फीचर्स एंड द वारंटीज यू आर गेटिंग ऑन दिस बाइक. प्लस उसके साथ में आप लोगों को एक और चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा, KTM पे अभी एक ऑफर चल रहा है. सो अगर आप अभी कोई भी बाइक बुक करते हो KTM की, then all you have to do is click a picture with this bike or make a video about that bike and उसको आपको अपने social media handles के ऊपर post करना है and on the basis of likes and engagement on that post आप एक iPhone 11 भी जीत सकते हो और उसके साथ कई सारी goodies भी. So that's a really very crazy offer. अगर आप लोग अभी बाइक बुक करने का सोच रहे हो KTM से, then go for it. It's the right time to book a bike. And that's all about this crazy tiny little beast, the KTM Duke 125. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to share it, like it, stay tuned and keep watching Vikas and Cars.